Today's lesson is on the Pythagorean theorem. Hey, Dominique, do you know what the Pythagorean theorem is?
No.
Neither do I. I'm just kidding. I know exactly what the Pythagorean theorem is. Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Have you ever seen that before?
No.
Well, let me tell you how we use it. Now, we use the Pythagorean theorem with triangles, specifically, Dominique, with right triangles. Do you know what a right triangle is?
No.
A right triangle, Dominique, is any triangle that has a right angle in it, and that's what a right angle looks like right there. Now, something else to remember about right triangles is that always opposite of the right angle is the hypotenuse. Can you say hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse.
Excellent. I always say hippopotamus, but it's hypotenuse, right? Okay. Now, our other sides that are not the hypotenuse are called the legs. Here's one leg there and one leg there. So we always know a right triangle by the right angle in that triangle, okay? Let's take a look at another triangle here. This time, we have our triangle. Is this a right triangle, Dominique?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because there's a it says
right angle in it. Excellent. You're very good. You're picking up on this very quickly, Dominique. Okay, there's our right angle, and opposite is the
hypotenuse.
The hypotenuse. She says it so well. Excellent. Very good. Okay? Our hypotenuse is here, and A is one of our legs, and B is another of our legs. Down here is the Pythagorean theorem again. A squared, one of our legs, plus B squared, another one of our legs, equals C squared, the hypotenuse. Now, Dominique, if we know two sides of this triangle, we can always find the third side with the Pythagorean theorem. We just need to make sure we memorize it, and then we plug in the numbers of the other sides to find the third side. Let's take a look at an example, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Here's a triangle. Is this a right triangle, Dominique?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because there's an angle in that.
You bet. There's a right angle right there, okay? Now, this is one of my legs over here. A, and in this case, it equals 3. Here's my other leg here, B. In this case, it equals 4. Now, I want to find the hypotenuse. So what I can do is plug in my numbers for A and B, and I can find C. You ready to do it?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. So A squared is 3 squared, plus B squared is 4 squared, equals C squared. Dominique, what's 3 squared?
9.
9. Excellent. 9 plus 4 squared. What's 4 squared?
16.
16. Excellent. Okay, equals C squared. And 9 plus 16 would be how much, Dominique?
25.
Way to go. 25 equals C squared. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Square root of 25 equals the square root of C squared. What's the square root of 25, Dominique? Do you know?
5.
Excellent. 5. So 5 equals C. Our hypotenuse, Dominique, is 5. You just became a Pythagorean theorem expert. Way to go. Excellent job. All right, that's the Pythagorean theorem. Now it's your turn. Remember, in a Pythagorean theorem, we're dealing with triangles, specifically with right triangles that have a right angle in it. Remember to memorize A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and you've got it.